She said she was just picking up pizza. Simple errand, nothing special. But when officers arrived, her car was embedded in the side of a building. She couldn't get out. She couldn't explain how it happened. And when they asked her how much she'd had to drink, she said 2 glasses of wine. The sobriety tests told a completely different story.
Oh man. How are we doing?
We were just here shopping, and we heard this crazy noise, and she said that she hit the brake pedal, and all of a sudden it broke control.
I don't think a brake pedal is going to do that.
You can't open either door?
How you doing?
Hi. I'm sorry. I know.
Didn't we just talk to you at the first date? Or the lift assist?
2751, can you check it for myself and stayed out?
I tried to put it in reverse, and I tried to reverse, and it went forward.
Alright, we're going to try to get you out, number 1. The door is locked. Can you unlock it from the inside? Is it that thing? Nothing? Yeah, I think it's locked here. Yeah, see if the other side's going to open. You might have to go out that side. This side's not going to open, I don't think. Yeah, this one's not opening. I don't know if you want me just to like pull. It is unlocked, right? No, I gotcha.
You said it is unlocked. Turn the car off. All right, now hit the unlock. Nope, just unlock.
But I can't take the keys out of the
That's fine.
ignition.
Just hop out of the back there.
All right. Perfect. I have no idea what's going on. Seriously, I put the car, I put it in reverse, and it just went forward.
Okay, do you have your ID and everything on you?
Yes, it's in my bag.
It's all in there? Daly, it's in the bag.
I'm so sorry.
Nah, it happens. Is your registration in the glove box?
Yeah.
She said it's all in the glove box, the registration, all that.
I'm so sorry. Everything, I put it in reverse, and everything went in forward. It made no sense. I
Okay.
looked in the back, and it just went.
Alright.
I was like, okay. It made no sense.
Yeah. And you're not injured, nothing, you're okay? No, you don't want the ambulance to come check you out? Okay.
I mean,
Your first name's Madeline, right?
Yes.
You live down right?
I live in.
Here. I'm just going to put these things here, okay? Just for the time being. These are your belongings, just so they probably don't want you in there.
My keys were missing, and I did not know why.
What happened? Explain it to them. Give me the
I really
rundown.
have no idea. I parked here. I was waiting for. We were honestly waiting for a parent. My parents were waiting for a pizza.
Okay.
Like a margarita pizza, and I was supposed to pick it up, and I was just sitting back here.
You all right? No injuries or anything? It came across as no injuries, so. So what happened? Just, I guess, forgot.
No, I put my car in reverse, and for some reason it went forward.
I gotcha. All right.
I have no idea why.
268, Long Beach.
Have you had anything to drink today?
268. If you could, get us a tow for this vehicle. Doesn't appear to be any structural damage, so we won't need the building department, but maybe stuck on a planter here, so if you can just give me a tow company here to pull it off. Crazy.
You know what time it is now? About?
It's about 7 o'clock.
All right. Yeah, right around there. 7, 8-ish. And what were you doing bringing truck in here? Just stop at Capitals?
I was picking up pizza.
Picking up pizza?
Yeah.
From where?
Wherever my dad called in from. So
Okay.
I was gonna call him. My brother works at Bucklers.
Yeah, I know.
I used to work at Foster's. Yeah, I know.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Or is it just gonna go check to make sure everything's alright? Are you taking any medications or anything like that, or not?
I have been off and on taking.
Okay.
What do you got? What do you got? Okay. You're going to step over here.
Well, so the reason I was going to bring you over there, I'm going to run you through just field sobriety test real quick. Just make sure you're all good, and then, no issues. But just with something like this, we kind of have to just double check, make sure we dot our I's and cross our T's, All right, so if you want, just take a minute to breathe, and then just...
No, I just want to die.
What was that?
I wish that had
Madeline, so I don't know if you remember me. I've seen you over the years. You remember me? Yeah. Okay. So just based on the circumstances, Patrolman Caffrey here is just going to do some standard field sobriety stuff. We just want to make sure you're okay. Okay. So we want to check that, but we're going to do it over there out of the view of people. Understand?
Yeah, you're fully okay to sit down. I'm just going to do the first test. It's just going to be a check of your eyes, all right? Make sure they're all right. Do you wear contacts or anything?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to have you just follow the tip of this pen here if you want to reach out and touch it, just so I know you know where you're looking. And you're just going to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. All right? You understand?
You understand, Madeline? You got to answer it verbally.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So just with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay, you're good. All right. Now we're just going to run the walking line. If you want to do it over this way, just so we have a little bit more space to walk it out, I'll explain it to you over here. Well, no, I'd say you keep your shoes on for now.
I'm shaking as it is.
Yeah, I know. I understand. Yeah, so if you want to take a breather real quick, you're more than welcome to. But I just wanted to bring you over here just so there's a little bit more space to walk around in, all right, just so you're not in this confined little area and bumping into stuff. God forbid, I tell you to walk a line, you're hitting other stuff, okay? All right. You okay?
I'm not okay.
What do you mean?
I'm not okay.
As in, here, you can walk over to that officer there.
I can definitely make it all the way.
I know, I just see what I'm saying. Like, it's a little tight, so I think a little more room will make it a little easier for you. All right, and then I'll go explain all the rules to you of all that nonsense, all right?
Yeah, come stand over here with me, right on this side.
Yeah. All right. All right, so first test is just going to be a walk and turn test, all right? So what I'm going to need from you first, I'm going to need to take your left foot, put your right foot right in front, and get into a starting position, just like so. Hands down at your sides, left foot in the back, right foot in front. All right? Yeah, and then hands down. Don't start yet. I'm going to get you into a starting position first, and then once you're there, I'll explain the rules, and then I'll let you go, okay? All right, so first order of business, I'm going to need you to get your hands down at your sides, right foot in front of your left, as I'm doing, okay? And if you need to take off your shoes or anything and make it a little more comfortable, feel free. So make sure, I don't want you to get any stuff on the bottom. I think it's all plastic, so you should be all right.
Can I go now?
Well, you got to get into the starting position first. The starting position is going to be hands down at your sides, left foot in the back, right foot in front, as I'm doing. I'll demonstrate everything before you have to do it, okay? So I need your right foot right in front of your left. All right, perfect. Stay like that for the remainder of me giving the instructions, and then when I tell you to, you may begin the test, all right? So first test, walk and turn. Right foot in front of the left, hands down at your sides. You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. I'm going to demonstrate 3, like this. 1, 2, 3. I understand. And then you're going to take a small series of steps, just like this, and then 9 steps back. I'm going to do 3 just for the duration of my example, but you're going to go and do 9, okay? And I want you to count out loud when you take each step. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
You may begin. No worries.
268 Long Beach. I'm getting in touch with our building inspector. I'll give you 10-2 later with his information so you can put it in our CAD. Great.
All right, that's good. You can shake it out. Now, next test is going to be a one leg stand. Do you have any problems with your legs by any chance?
I'm just kind of shaky back and
Just
forth.
shaky, but no injuries, like no. Okay. Okay. All right. And yeah, I'll make sure to factor that in. Yeah. I should have asked that before I even said the test. So that's on me. I should have offered that. But the next test is going to be the one leg stand test. All right. So same thing. I'm going to get you into starting position. I'll explain.
Flat. See how it's not as flat over
Yeah.
there. There you go.
So I'll explain the rules for you. I'll get you into a starting position. Then when I'm explaining it, I want you to wait until I tell you to go first. Okay. So for this test, I'm going to need your feet together, hands down at your sides like so. All right. That's going to be your starting position. Do not begin the test until I tell you to. All right. Now, for this, I need you to pick a leg of your choice. Doesn't matter which one. I need you to lift it about 6 inches off the ground, staring directly at your toe, while counting out loud 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, so on until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you understand these rules? All right. Give me 1 sec.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
No worries. We won't count that. If you want to start, I'm ready to start when you are.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000.
Just after what I witnessed, how much did you drink today?
Today,
Yeah.
honestly, today, for the first time in 2 weeks, a few glasses of wine.
A few glasses. How many would a few be, give or take?
2,
2? All right. And about how long ago did you have them?
a while.
All right. And now,
But I also have a stage 2 that no one really addressed.
okay. All right. And now I heard your house phone. Anything else today?
No.
Okay. All right.
No, I take them at night when I go to sleep.
I got you.
That's it.
Okay. And nothing else throughout the day? Didn't smoke any weed or anything like that? Okay. All right. Just sit tight with these two guys right here, and then I will be right back with you. She hit everything. So VGN.
Okay.
Yeah.
I saw her
Oh,
HGM was
okay.
pretty bad, and it could just be something that she's on.
She
All
said
right.
she didn't take any medication. She said she's on. She only takes it before she goes to bed.
Okay.
Said she had 2 glasses of wine earlier. That's all I got out of her.
All right, but she did fail that.
Yeah, she
Everything?
all over. She couldn't stay.
Her
on
her HGM was bad, and it could be some of the meds.
Yeah.
So we'll lock her up for 450 this time.
All right.
All right.
You want me to put her in my car or take her right to 302 and just have them transport?
right here.
Yeah, wherever. Just
Okay.
You want us to call Heinrich over to pattern out or just back in hand?
yeah,
Good call.
yeah.
All right. We'll get Heinert over.
Okay. 330.
3304.
73 to 3304.
We're gonna have to search the car for intoxicants.
Okay.
You
All right,
come
this
to
is gonna
our
be your
location.
arrest.
Yeah, I ran the test. Unfortunately, you're going to have to run the box, though. Is that hers?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna bring this.
You want me to search it now? Or get her in the car first and then bring her back out?
Let's just make sure that there's no intoxicants. That was on the driver's side there.
You got gloves on you by any chance?
Yeah, I got you, Mike. I got the keys.
Thank you. Did you wear these already?
No.
Yeah, you did. They're sweating them.
No, I didn't. You're a liar. They're just shiny.
Alright. Whatever you say.
Just make sure there's no intoxicants. There is a bottle of, I don't know if it's whiskey or wine on the front. Doesn't appear to be to anything. Okay.
Okay.
What's up, boys? How are you?
Howdy.
Thanks again, Pat. I saw you and I was like, he's got to know.
No problem.
Should I put her in the back of the car before I do this?
No, we're going to grab Heinrich over here and put her right in.
Okay.
She failed everything on the field Friday.
They took like 15 steps.
As long as she had the hits on there.
Alcohol pro.
That's an alcohol.
Yeah. Nothing crazy in
The
here.
only thing is the questionable thing she keeps saying.
Okay, that's fine. We'll address that. We're going to bring her back for us. And then we can have an ambulance meet us there at 10-3. Okay?
Yes, sir. No talking there? Alright, put your hands behind your back for us, alright? Come here.
figure it out once we get back to the station. For now, we just want to put you in handcuffs, all right?
Just for your safety.
She said it went forward when she put it in reverse. She said it was just 2 glasses of wine. She said she was just picking up pizza for her parents. None of it added up, and by the end of the night, she was in handcuffs outside the building her car just drove through. Drop a comment. Do you think she knew what she was doing? And subscribe for a more real body cam every week.